Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So first of all I'm going to import OS into here. So OS comes by default, by the way, in your system. Right, and what we're going to do today is we're going to change the permissions on a file. So we're going to make a text file read only, and then we're also going to make it writable again. So without further ado, I'm going to create a subroutine or a function called read only. I'm going to create a path to my desktop. So this is a path to my desktop on Windows. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you'll have to find out your own unique desktop path. It's going to be marked desktop. We're going to use os.chdir change directory, and we're going to change into this directory, which is my desktop directory. Right, now I'm going to create a variable called file name, and we're going to assign it to input. That's going to be file name, and we're going to do os.chmod, which is going to be file name, and we're going to give it a little code which is 000, and then it's going to be 444. This will change the file permission to read only, and then we're going to print out a message to the user using f-string here, and then file name is now read only. We shall test that out. So let's go and test that out. So first of all, read only. Save that. I've got the file on my desktop, so let's run it. The file is called test.txt. Hit enter. Okay, made a little bit of a mistake there. Let's have a look. That should not be there. That should be there. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's see if it's done what it says on the tin. This is test. Okay, change file permissions. Add this. Let's save it. Okay, let's try and save it. Okay, test.txt. Do you want to replace it? Yes. And then we get this test. This file is set to read only. Try again with a different name. Okay, so it's read only. Let's close it. Okay, don't save. Let's open it again. There we go. Right, now we want to reverse this process. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another function here, and this is going to be called make writable. Okay, again we're just going to grab this path, and here let's grab that path. Let's paste it in. Okay, so that's the path. Let's just neaten it up a little bit. Okay, so again we're going to do os.chdir. No, we're not. We're going to do file name first. file name variable and assign it to input. Ask the user for a file name. It's going to be os.chmod, and that's going to be file name. And we're going to, this time we're going to do 00666. Quite a memorable number, that. So we're going to change the directory back, and we're going to print the message to the user. It's going to be file name. Oh dear. File name. Can now be written to. Right, let's save that. Let's just change that to make writable. We can call it make writable. Okay, let's just save it. Let's just run it. So the name of the file here is going to be test.txt. Hit enter. Can now be written to. So let's test that out, shall we? Let's do that. Simply type some text in hello. Okay, let's hopefully save that. And let's close that. Okay, let's open it again. And there we go. We've written to it again. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.